So you've installed the Steve model, but you go into the game and there are like almost no models. And then you think you want to make your own models. That's what I'm going to teach you today. Before heading over to the blockbench, we're going to need the default model file for your Steve model. So you could go into your .minecraft folder, and then inside of config, and you can see this your Steve model one. And that's the custom and the default right here. So you have all these files, but you just scroll down and find the main.json file, and you copy it, and put it here, and then we're ready. Once you open blockbench, then instead of making a new model, you just have to open the model like this. You choose the main.json, and now you have the default model. So what I prefer doing first is just to remove a few of these things so that we can have a clean model to work with. Over here you can see all the groups, and there are quite a lot of them, so I'm just gonna click like this. So now you have an empty model to work with, and I'm just gonna base it off of an old skin that I have. So once you're done with customizing your model, you can go into File and just save the project real quick, and then also go and export it here, and then export it as this one, and then you just have to put it in a folder and call it main. Then it's gonna be a main.json file. But you also need to go out here and just make a copy of this one, like this, and then you're gonna click it here, and we're gonna get this the same model, but this time we're gonna copy the arms, and then before doing anything else, just delete the whole thing, and then paste the arms here, and then save this as an arm.json. Alright, all you need now is just to get some texture files and also get the main.animation. And the easy thing about this type of model is that you can just go and find the animations for the default model, and you don't actually have to animate anything yet. So here again, just go inside of config, your Steve model, and custom, and default. And then you have the main animation right here. You can just copy it and actually just put it in this folder, like this. So now you just need the texture, and you can add it over here. But that's something I'll show you a bit more about in the next video.